Today we're going to be making mug cake. It's an easy 2-minute recipe, and every time I feel like cake, this is what I do. So first of all, we should take 4 tablespoons of plain flour. Then we're going to take 3.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, a pinch of baking soda, 2 pinches of baking powder. Now I'll take the hand whisk and mix everything. Now it's all mixed properly. Add in 1 tablespoon of melted butter. If it's hard to get out. Then add 1 tablespoon of milk, 2 drops of lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh cream, add 4 to 5 drops of vanilla essence. Now we're going to mix this thoroughly. Make sure you don't spill any more powder like I did. This is how it looks like. It shouldn't have any lumps in it, so make sure you mix it very thoroughly. Now I'm going to add in 1 more tablespoon of milk, just like the last one. And then mix it thoroughly again. This is how it looks like now. If you want, you can add in some chocolate chunks. You can add in some more if you like. It just depends on your taste. So we're going to add some in like this, and then we're going to mix it. We're going to keep it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Our microwave is 600 watts. So if your microwave is 800 watts, then you should put it for 1 minute. Ours is 600, so we put it for 2. So now I'm going to put it in the microwave, run it for 1 minute, check it, and then run it for another. I really wish you guys could see it properly if you're watching, but then we can't see it that well, so we're not going to show it. It already smells so super nice. I wish you could smell it. And this is how our cake looks like. Dark brown. Now I'm going to put some icing sugar on it so it looks a lot nicer. And then we'll have a try. Now I'm going to try it. It has come up so nice and is really yummy. Hope you like it. Please do try it, and don't forget to subscribe and share. See you next time.